Mr. Depp, I'd like to start with the honeymoon that you and Ms. Heard took in late July 2015.
Certainly.
You testify that you took a train ride from Bangkok to Singapore. Is that right?
That's correct.
And you claim that on this train ride that Ms. Heard hit you in the face, correct?
Yes.
And left a black eye, correct?
Yes.
And Michelle, could you please pull up PX 162?
Is that already in evidence?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Publish to the jury.
Thank you. Mr. Depp, this is the picture that your counsel showed you both in your prior, or showed you this morning, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that mark under your left eye is what you claim to be a black eye caused by Ms. Heard, correct?
Seems to be there's some scratches around my nose as well.
Okay. All right, but it's your left eye, the one close to the chef. That's what you says your black eye, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that was the picture your team chose to show you, right? Let's pull up Exhibit 1905, Michelle, please.
I'm sorry, which number was it?
This is a new exhibit, Your Honor, 1905.
That's
And Mr. Depp, you see here, these are 4 pictures of you, right?
Yes,
See that? And below it, they indicate that they were taken on July 24th, 2015 in Bangkok, Thailand, correct?
Objection, lack of foundation, calls for speculation.
overruled.
in Bangkok, Thailand, so before the train ride.
Correct, before the train ride, because you didn't get on the train ride till the 25th, is that right?
I somewhere in that area, I guess.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd ask for permission to publish this to the jury.
If it's just the photographs, we have no
All
objection.
right, you want to redact the, just have the photographs in it?
Sure. Michelle, could you please scroll down to the bottom 2 pictures there? Mr. Depp, in these pictures that were taken before you got on the train ride for your honeymoon, where you claim that Miss Heard hit you and gave you a black eye, you have the exact same shadow or sunburn or mark under your left eye. The exact same mark, don't you?
That's the, when you get a side light, you see the occipital bone. So that is the exact area.
Yep. And it's actually...
A side light will cause that.
Yeah, well,
as
the
well.
picture's not being taken from the side, is it? It's being taken head on, isn't it?
No. The lens in front,
Yeah.
the light on the side
Right.
will cause that occipital bone, I believe it's called,
Mhm.
to appear sunken.
Just like lights on the side of a train car, correct?
Objection,
Well,
calls for
You
speculation.
can take that down, Michelle.
that was in fact in the dark. I had a chef,
Sustain.
I had people on either side of me, so
You can
I
wait for the
don't
next-
see where the light fill is from the side there.
Mr. Depp, you can wait for the next question. Next question.
Next question.
Sorry.
Even the picture your team chose to show you on that train isn't accurate, is it? Let's pull up
Objection,
exhibit.
calls for speculation.
Let's pull up exhibit 1859, please.
1859. Is that in evidence?
No, Your Honor. Mr. Depp, this is the same picture, or the same, the exact same scene displayed in PX 162 that you looked at this morning, correct?
That looks like my face has been, the eyes have been photoshopped.
Oh, okay. So this post from the Eastern and Oriental Express's Facebook page, you're saying that that's photoshopped?
Is
Let's
that from
pull
their
them up
page?
side by
I would,
side.
sure, why wouldn't they?
Let's pull them up side by side, please. Your Honor, I'd move for the admission of this exhibit. We can just have the pictures. We don't need the...
Any objection to the picture?
Objection, lack of foundation, lack of authentication.
Is that you in the photo, Mr. Depp?
It is me, but it's clearly,
Your Honor,
It's been-
I'd move
it's
to strike
been-
anything after that, first of all, and would ask for admission of this photograph.
All right, just a photograph?
Yep.
You're gonna,
We maintain our lack of authentication, lack of foundation.
all right, over objection, I'll allow 1859.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is the exact same picture, isn't it, Mr. Depp?
with radically different quality. And
No, you answered my question.
how
Permission
do
to
you know
publish.
it wasn't done?
You answered my question, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Mr. Depp, you had that, whatever mark it is, whether it's a sunburn, whether it's a shadow, whether it's the light reflecting, you had that same mark on your eye before you got on that train.
Well, it's pretty difficult to get a sunburn on a train. And
Let's
in
go
the
to
photographs with the child, I don't look particularly sunburned. Can we see those?
Let's
Can we see those?
Did anybody